Hey, I'm here with my book review. So, these are the two books that I have read just this month. First, The Space Between Us, and its second part, The Secrets Between Us. Oh my god, I will rate it 8 on 10. I really enjoyed it. It was very interesting, and I will say it really helped me catching my attention because I am someone who I cannot just focus. But it was very interesting perspective, also suspense, and I love how the story unfolds. It's just so beautiful. The protagonist is based in Mumbai, and it's a beautiful story of a woman, Bhima, who's coming from a lower caste family, and lady she works with, which is Sarah Bai. So she is from upper caste Parsi family, and it's just how this whole story unravels so many things, which was very shocking for me. I did not expect it, but okay, wow, it really surprised me that how everything is just very untimed, and how life is so different, and things that people go through, the struggle that they face. I cannot describe it more because you have to read it, otherwise I'll just spoil it for you. But the story is very, I would say, what's the word? Hmm. Interesting. And I really loved it. Like, I really wanted to read something from an Indian author, and that's why I picked up this book. And this did not disappoint. Oh my god, I am really looking forward to other books that I have just write it down in my book recommendation list. Second book, The Secrets Between Us, is the part of it which continues the whole story, and it just beautifully ends it. Each and every character has their own value to add on, and I am new to reading, you can tell, because I love how they you know unravel things, and how everything is connected to something or the other. It's just wow, your mind thought of all that. How beautiful. Firstly, and all the dreams and desires and sacrifices and people's stories which goes unheard, and when you come across such stories, it just stays with you for some reason. When I first read Khalid Hosseini's The Kite Runner or The Mountain Echo, I felt similar to that. And it's very wholesome feeling, because I'm not just saying that this is very happy book. It has its own ups and downs, but that just portrays the reality of life. You'll come across all the scenarios, and you'll feel all this good and bad situations in life, but that's what just makes this beautiful, and it really touched my heart. So I would definitely recommend you all to check it out if you have not read any Indian author. I have a lot of recommendation. I'm really into reading right now. I'm just reading another book, and I'll give you the review soon. Let me know if you have any other recommendations from me. I'm so excited. I would love to read. Okay, bye. Happy reading.